Hello friends. So today I'm going to tell you a very interesting way to use a very popular Chinese video platform called CapCut and video generation platform. To use this, you need to use VPN and try to use register from Nigeria for unlimited usage. So once you register from Nigeria, what you're going to do next? So you turn the VPN to register for Nigeria, and once you do that, to show you similar access to Dreamina tool, I'm going to show how to create one with a new account. So you can go here in Dreamina CapCut.com, and this tool you can create now, and when you have done that, you can check that the video tool and the AI avatar tool are not activated yet. Only the image tool is activated. To activate the video tool, you need to sign in. Just sign in with Google is fine. You can put any birthday year. Now you have got the registration, and as you can see, you have got somewhere like some credit, 225 credits, but this is still not activated yet. So what you need to do now is change to, let's say, United Kingdoms, any European region, and connect, and just refresh, and you can see your video getting activated. AI avatar and mimic motion, everything is getting activated. And now if you want to use this tool, I'm going to show a demo. So I'm creating a very nice dancing cats. So what we can do is, in ChatGPT you can get all your prompts done, and you can get the ChatGPT prompt here. If you want, I can give the exact prompting guide. So this is the prompt guide for making this, so that we can have a cartoon dance scene prompt for all of them, and it will have different location and different songs in mind. For example, in this example, we are doing South Indian Naatu-Dance with male wearing lungi and shirt, so we can have ethnicity as well. For different ethnicity, we can have different changes, and this is the prompt. Now for the second prompt, I'm going to ask the chat AI compare the image generation. Let's see. So what we can do is we can give the AI image, we can give a reference image, which is maybe a different image. Actually, let me add a different image. Yeah, so if this is the one that I want to create, I should create the similar reference image. So let me add a reference image here. I had already done that before, so let me just install it. Okay, so now I'm going to add that in this new account, and we add this reference image, and I'm going to add this moon style. Actually, moon style, I don't want to add the moon style for now. I think it's better to add the Tokyo Arcade. Seems very interesting, so let's add that. Yep. And similarly, if I can add a reference image in Leonardo, okay, so the flow state would be good. Okay, I think I will just use this image. So this is getting done at a higher rate. So as you can see, this is very vibrant and very nice. We have got Coca-Cola bottles as well. So similarly, we can have all the others. At the same time, I can convert this to video. I can similarly create more scenes, Moonlight view, and add maybe different dancing posture. I added the video. Okay, this is the image. I can also have I can also edit it on canvas. So I'm going to have a different dancing position. Now this is on earth. This looks really good. Similarly on a volcanic edge, but a different dancing position. And then is the Bollywood, and there's also different dancing position. So I've got like the batches running. Let's see. No, right, layer 1, and there's layer 2. Layer 2, if I remove it, I think I like this one better. Now I'll generate a video, use the same prompt and generate the video here. Similarly, here I'll generate the video, use the same prompt, generate the video, and these two are getting made. Let's wait for it to be made. And then this video is generated. So the volcano video is generated, and now this video generated. I will choose this one, and We'll use the same prompt. So the 6 video generation. Hello. So here we have all the videos downloaded. We'll go to Canva and create a project. And inside the folder, we have got all the videos of the generated videos. Then we'll create a video of shorts, YouTube shorts. So we'll use this. Now in our video app, we'll add all the cat videos. So we get around 30 seconds of video. Yeah. And now we'll add the song. In the upload, we upload the songs. Add the song here. And then see how so we now need to adjust it based on the sound. Now I'll add watermark. So as you can see, we have got added transitions, the audio and the watermark. Now this shot is ready to be published, so we can download it. We can download this as MP4, and here we go. This is getting downloaded as a shot. So after adding the subscribe button, the meow stories, the preview looks like this. Isn't it great? So now we can post it in social media.